Hello! So, this is the steps for the salt of the earth. Yung intro, so, instruments. Tapos, ang pagpasok lang natin, ganyan lang. Ganyan. Ganyan. Salok lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. So, yan. So, from the side, kunyari dito ako magkagaling, yung iba dun sa kabila. 1, 2, 3. Kailangan, ang babagsakan natin talikod. 4, 5, 6. Hindi ko pa siya nabilang kasi mamaya sa tugtog, pag may tugtog na. So, ganyan. Tapos, first step, salt of the earth, yung verse na yun, todo-todo. Diba? I am the salt. Right foot first. 1, 2, tapos 3, 4, 5, 6, step left, step back, and then ikot. Ganun ulit. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step right, step back, and then ikot, and then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step left, step right back, ikot. Yan. So, pag nandito na tayo, 3 beses yun, I'm the salt. Ang sunod, magbibigay naman sila ng cue, I am a city. I am a city. Yung buong verse nun, cha-cha. Right first, right step, right step, right step. And then, 1, 2, 3, left step back. Ganon. 1, 2, and then ikot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times na ganon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Ang sunod nun, I'm a city. So, after nung ganon, 1, 2, I'm a city. Sorry. 1, right first. Right to the right. 1, 2, point. Then 1, 2, point. And then again, 1, 2, point. And then 1, 2, point. After that, ikot lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yun yung first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayun. Tapos ang sunod, instrumentalist. Ang sunod doon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mag-perform lang tayo ng circle. So, ganyan. 1, sa ano lang. And then, kapag nakapuno tayo ng circle, 8 counts yun eh. And then, 7, 8. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. And then, stop. And then, the next noon ay, kasi 2 counts yung instruments. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kailangan yung right hand natin nakataas. After ng 8, and then, ikot ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yun na. Tapos, ang sunod doon, I live to dominate. So, papunta naman tayo, pabalik tayo ng position. I live, scoop, and then stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun ang stretch. And then, 3 times yun. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanggang sa makabalik tayo sa position. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, I am covered. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I am covered against me. Then, 2 times naman yung ano yun, yung buong verse na yun. Then, I live to dominate. No divination against me. I am covered. Yon. After nun, ang sunod nun, 2 times yun. Tapos, mabilis na kagad yun after I live to dominate. Highly favored. Right, up, and then right foot step, left, back, back, forth, and then. Yan ay parang 5 to 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then Jesus' name. Highly favored, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored, highly Jesus' name. Here. So after nun, highly favored, 3 times yun. So medyo nakakahingal siya. So 1, tsaka medyo mabilis kasi na. 1, so 3 times na yung isang buong set. Tapos after nun, highly favored 3 times, instrument ulit. Ganun ulit. 1, 2. Kaya lang, hindi na tayo mag-perform ng circle. Kasi after nun, mabilis na uli yung highly favored. 1, 2, 3, 8 counts. And then, pag yung mabilis na, iikot lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, 1, another instrument. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diba yung right na tapos iikot ulit. Right? Yan, ganyan. Tapos yung sunod na yun, after noon, mabilis na highly favored. Ulit, highly favored 2 times. Jesus' name. Tapos ang sunod doon ay salt of the earth ulit. Ito naman, kasi patapos na to, salt of the earth. So, mabilis to pagkatapos ng highly favored, mag-cook yun naman si Brother Glenn. Sabihin niya, salt of the earth. I'm the salt of the earth. I'm the salt of the earth. I'm the salt of the earth. Ito, ang ano dito, hindi ka na mag-stay sa likod kasi patapos na yan. So, didiretso ko na dito. Yun na yung kaibahan. Kasi isang beses lang siya eh. I'm the salt of the earth. Okay. I'm the salt of the earth. Ay, ano nga ba? I'm the salt. Di pala. The earth. I'm the salt of the earth. Against me. Tapos, ano yun? I'm the light of the world. I'm the light of the world. Tapos, salt of the earth again. I'm the salt of the earth. I'm the salt of the earth. I'll carry the flavor. Season the earth. I'm the light of the world. I'm the light of the world. Season the earth. I don't know kung anong chords nito. Ganun lang, tapos na. Formation na tayo. Yun, tapos na po.